I put my head in there.
That was good. Man, that was good. That was so good.
You should have seen your face. As such a fatty as he tells me to come there, and I'm in there, and he's talking, and what happens? You still walk over and do it. Somebody told me to go over and spray somebody's hands off.
Hey, stop, go. Stop, let go.
I'm in green!
No, that's too much, stop. Okay, stop. We're done, you're clean.
I'm not clean.
Yeah, you gotta take the bath anyway.
Yep, you do.
You need green, my boy.
Bath time!
My camera's wet.
Go in there and take a bath.
Huh?
My camera's wet.
On with the rat killing.
Come on. You gotta take